Can you introduce your family in Igbo? If you can't, don't worry. Today, we will learn it together step by step. Taa, anyị ga-amụta ka esi akpọ ndị ezinụlọ gị n'asụsụ Igbo. Today, we will learn how to call family members in Igbo. Mụta okwu ndị a taa. Learn those words today. Nna, father. Nne, mother. Nwanne nwoke, brother. Nwanne nwanyị, sister. Nna, grandfather. Nne, grandmother. Simple sentences. Aha m bụ Ada. My name is Ada. Nne m bụ Ngozi. My mother is Ngozi. Nna m nọ n'ụlọ. My father is at home. Introducing yourself. Ịkọwa onwe gị. Aha m bụ. My name is. Abụ m onye. I am from. Ịmaatụ. For example. My name is Emeka. Aha m bụ Emeka. Abụ m onye Nigeria. I am from Nigeria. Now, let's put what we have learned into practice. Person A asked person B, Kedu aha gị? What is your name? B replies, Aha m bụ Chidi. My name is Chidi. A said to B, No, Chidi. Welcome, Chidi. B now replies, Dalo. Thank you. Now try it yourself. Say the following. Your name in Igbo style. One family member in Igbo. Comment your name in Igbo format. Let's practice together. Ndewo.